Instead of you harem come up witness. Law one message you harem now. Last year we played with TOKSAVE finished on 16 September. Also, Mari Lord Jesus Christ never finished. Lord September 2022. That then is 16 September 2022. Mari Lord Jesus Christ never finished now. As of tomorrow 17 September 2022, Mitupla by stopping cell on holy place. Spiritual technical from Mitupla. That is why Mitupla must inaugurate committing sin now.
Mari Lord Jesus Christ never finished. You said you believe man is up. You must not get committing sin now. Suppose me to play what you're committing sin. And it's the sin very by not forgiven. That is why people come to TOKSAVE here. So that me to play must ready good night stuff.
As of 17, you must prepare a walk about the holy place without sin. That is why, suppose you are in this club, you must walk about holy now. You're going to finish, come to backside then. Jealous will not again. You go looking for a mountain, and then Sunday me to go to ya. This class and before finish and you stop in a corner you play up this stuff. Now in a this class, now you must stop inside a holy place because we are priests. Me to play priest. That Mari Christ and me stop yet me to play with them. Now me to play sin stuff. Then you stop inside a holy place. Me to play no not walking sin. You must stop good room because you must be saved. Suppose me to play walking one play legally sin, and by me to play color come out, long window, now me to play my go out. And now, Exodus 92, verse 23. You go reading this stuff. Pastor, you don't give me your finish yourself. One play time, God the Russian name, you stop. Suppose you walk in sin started. Now we mean a Russian name to me to play because me to play finish stop. No time for Mari. As of 16 September, we said money walking sin this time. You will become the man of sin. Now, namely, you will be blotted out. And now to Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 3, and come up with this time. Man of sin. Mituka Masabelo this plan. As of 17 September 2022, you look establish screen. You establish one mouth. Wherever you are, as of 17 September 2022, you are in that spiritual holy place now. You must remain holy by not committing sin. You not can walk in sin. You not can thinking sin. You not can look sin. You not can walk about sin. Suppose you walk in, you back go out the window on this spiritual holy place. And then your names will be blotted out and you will be called a man of sin. And you might be sin 3.6. Suppose me to play start yet and God by sinning me to play. Now, this took the witnesses, the word and the Holy Spirit by kissing this the name of me to play. Equal and give him Jesus Christ and that name and by putting the spirit that need to play right now. God is top on them you. God is top on them me to play. Time me come back again and by wearing body of Jesus Christ and by come kissing me to play again. Revelation 11:13. And took the witnesses by one up. And Holy Spirit me to play this in the strongest stuff. The word you have any stuff. And to play by come back again. To play by come back again. Now I come one that power. Lord cooking you, not saving you. You are a minister of one as of 17 September 2022. Make sure you must be in the holy place, spiritual, heavenly goal. Now, no can walk in sin. Remain saved, passing for Jesus Christ, maintain him all to the time. That's the way we do my stuff. Holy no all to the time.